Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Danrie from Craft of Giving, and in today's video I want to share how to make this super simple, super quick and very cost-effective little gift for someone you love to pop on their fridge. To make your very own mini craft stick canvases, you will need to use some mini craft sticks. Now you can find these online. I will have some links linked down below for your convenience. Now, depending on the length of your mini craft stick, it will depend how many you lay down. For my particular craft stick, it took 8 pieces to create the canvas base, and I'm using one just to help align all my sticks and another to just hold them all down together. Just a quick tip, make sure to go through your sticks to pick out all the best ones first, making sure they're nice and straight with no major imperfections. To secure my canvas together, I'm using 2 strips of hot glue and 2 extra sticks on top. If you're a young person, please ask an adult to help you and be careful not to burn your fingers. And then we move on to the fun part of stamping your designs straight onto your canvas. It's as simple as selecting your designs out of stamps, stamping it in some ink, and then being careful to transfer that onto your canvas. Making sure not to press too hard if you're using any letters or writing, because it can smudge or distort the image. So only light pressing, make sure to apply even pressure all throughout and lift off. And there you go, a beautiful printed canvas. For a quick cleanup, use a wet baby wipe as you go to clean up your stamps, and then they're ready to go for the next time. Make sure to dry it off with a piece of paper towel. To make these stick to your fridge, you will of course need some magnets. Now in my case, I only had these little magnetic tile strips that I will fold in half just to allow for additional height so that my magnet sticks out further than my back brace support of my little canvas. Otherwise, the magnet will not make contact with my fridge and fall straight to the floor. You only need a little bit of hot glue to stick your magnet to your canvas. Make sure to remove any of the dried or cooled glue spider webs that tend to happen when you're using hot glue, and then make sure to test your little magnets on a magnetic surface like a fridge before gifting it to your special loved ones. This is the cutest, most inexpensive way to make some really fun personalized magnets for someone you care about. Whether it's for Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, birthdays, just because the opportunities are endless on what you can create here and make someone's day extra special. Go ahead and wrap it up really nicely. I presented mine in this beautiful self-sealing little plastic bag that you can also get online. I'll have a link down below. Simple as adding it in there, lining it up, sticking it down, popping a beautiful handmade sticker on top, and then wrapping it up and ready to be gifted. If you like this video, please give it a big ol' thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below letting me know who are you going to make these magnets for. If you want to see some more, please subscribe. I make videos on handmade gifts and other fun DIY projects. Remember to be crafty with your giving, and I thank you for watching. I'll catch you next time. Bye!